Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change TikTok profile picture. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open the TikTok app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner and tap on Edit Profile. Now, you will see your current profile photo. Tap on Change Photo, and here you will see two options. Choose Take Photo to use your camera, or select from the gallery to upload picture from your phone. So pick your photo, adjust or crop it if it's needed, tap on select and then next. You can crop it as well. And if you want to post this photo to the story, so you have to turn this option on. If not, you have to uncheck this option. Now tap on save. Your new profile picture will update instantly, and that's it. That's how you change your TikTok profile picture. If this helped you, don't forget to like and follow for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.